Hi guys, welcome back to Odd Kids Awesome. So today you can probably notice I'm in the car and not at home. That's because I'm on the way to my first Rubik's Cube competition. I'm kind of nervous, but excited at the same time. So first I'm going to be competing in 3x3, which is the regular cube. Then I'll be competing in 2x2, then I'll do the pyramids. So basically how it works is I'm going to get an average of 5 solves for each cube. So, like I said, I'm kind of nervous, but I'm going to push through because I'm also excited. So hopefully my excitement beats my nerves. Let's get into it. So guys, now I'm at the competition. As you can see, the environment changed again. So yeah, the first event is 3x3 like I said. So just practicing just to make sure I memorize all the algorithms. So yeah, let's get started. ASMR.
At 22.
Toilet. Station 7.
Too bad the thing's not working.
Anthony. Station 10. That's the first up 25 in the car. My old left is 25 on that side. James, station 6. Anthony, station 5.
Okay, now the 2x2 is done. It's lunchtime! Oh.
It's a mystery.
We're at McDonald's and we just got our orders.
Good mystery, though.
So lunch is over. Now let's start competing.
Simon, station 2.
Never mind, 1.
Simon, station 6. Joshua, station 5. Simon, station 6.
So guys, now obviously we're at home, so yeah, I had a great time at the competition. I honestly rated that experience 10 stars. So yeah, I definitely recommend, if you guys are cubers, then just go to a competition. Well, because it's encouraging and people don't care what your times are, and most of all, you have fun. So see you next time on Odd Kids Awesome. Bye.